I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello guys, happy Sunday. Anyways guys, welcome to another vlog guys. So it is Sunday. Guys, we're on our way to church. Tina is over there. Say hi to the peeps. She's stuffing her. Hi guys. She's stuffing her mouth, guys. Oh, and I can't get this the phone thingy to what we can't fit in there. Too small.
And the car is small or the camera?
One of them.
Are we big?
Right. So anyways guys, welcome to another vlog. For all my new subbies, welcome. This you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli, and this is your girl Yoli. So guys, initially I wanted to do vlogmas, but guys, I have December hit me with a bang. When I tell you say it hit me with a bang, it hit me with a bang. Literally. Yes, like so much is going on guys. I was in a car accident. Like I'm off the radar right now. Things not going to plan, and I have so much going on. Things are not going as planned, and I have a lot going on. So I'm gonna be giving you guys hopefully 3 vlogs per week, but yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do that in a lot of discomfort, in a lot of pain, but I thank God for life, and life still goes on. So anyways guys, today we're going to church, and I'm going to be at church for a little bit, and then I'm going to my friend book launch. Yes guys.
Guys, you know, like our coat?
Yes guys. Ader over here guys.
Yeah, that thing said it's snowing like crazy outside.
Guys, this is a nice trench coat.
Yes
it's
guys,
not,
it's a nice winter coat.
So we in a
for when it's snowing or some minus
no.
That's what it is, guys.
Guys,
she feel about
bad
rich
man.
auntie. How much money in her account? Rich auntie vibes.
Rich auntie, rich mommy, rich wifey.
Hey,
that's what it's giving.
So guys, let me see her in the cold. We say it's cold outside. It's freezing.
Guys, they say you gotta fake it until you make it. So
guys, let me see she put on the coat. Me the man
guys,
for change. Let me see, we are going to same place.
And guys, this is what bring off my outfit. Come just a nice little sweat. It's not really, what do you call it? Cashmere kind of, pantsuit. Casual. Because guys, I wanted to wear my boots, but my back is hurting, so I just switch it in my sneakers. Yeah, rich mommy, rich sissy, rich auntie, rich cousin vibe.
I have to look in the mirror upon myself. It's cold outside, sis. It's freezing.
Oh my God. Yes, guys. So I'm on my way to church, and then after church, Tina is going out. After church, I am going to the book launch to show my face for a little hour. We have to support each other, and Yogi has always been supportive of me, in anything, and once she hears say may I do something, she's gonna promote me, she's gonna share what I'm doing. Yeah, I've known Yogi years now, like maybe over 15 years. Yeah, and yeah, so I had to push out and go show my face. Yeah, you have to support those who support you. Yeah, because when it comes to support, more time that is limited. So when you find people that truly support you and they do it so willingly, that you are not forced, it's not forced, you got to show up back, for them. Yes, guys. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. Yeah. And come along, hang out with me. Go and cook on the rice and peas and curry goat and oxtail and just, yeah. Maybe at Sunday before the next Sunday, so it'll be
Yeah, got leftover.
Yes. Look how this somebody shake, guys. Earthquake. Guys, it's my sister tripod. I don't know why hers have to shake, so warm to this.
I'm not a YouTuber, guys. I'm not a vlogger.
So yours just can't shake.
So when people call me the thing, then get them take if I shake, we are shake.
Oh, God. All right, guys. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. You guys were here? Yeah, from church to the book launch. Look left and right. So here's the love the dress.
Thank you so much. Tisha and my cousin made me pick this one. It was supposed to be all black.
Mine are friends.
Yeah.
They were right. See, Tisha was like, "Where are you keeping that dress in your closet?" I said, "You never know. I might end up getting a New Year's Eve date." And she's like, "Okay, you know what? You're wearing."
So look at the otter.
You're welcome. You want some wine? Sure. Can we get some wine? No, stand up there. Like you don't know. Thank you.
So Yogi, while you're signing the book, could you tell us a little about your book? Like a little intro, short. Don't give us too much. And what made you write this book, if you don't mind sharing with us.
Am I on video now?
Yes, you are.
Hi everyone, so my book is Her Thoughts, Her Words. It is my journey from the last about 2 years of healing and going through turmoil to still believing in love and being healed. And I wish, and my biggest thing is that I do hope that the words that are in it are very personable and raw. So I do hope that it inspires somebody out there to know that it's okay to feel the way they are feeling, but there is a light at the end of the tunnel.
And where could they purchase your book?
You could definitely go and purchase the book on Amazon. And the moment you punch in Her Thoughts, Her Words, it will show up. So that is the cover.
Okay.
So then you guys can take a look and order that book. Please do order, or you could certainly find me on Instagram at strict_elegance, where I will have a few more personal copies coming later this week.
Okay, so what if someone purchased your book and wants your signature? Like, how do they go about? So do they reach out to you to send them a personalized book or with your signature? Like how does that go?
Yeah, so right now I don't have a website, but
Okay.
because this is actually my very first publication, and what I'm gonna do is you can certainly DM me on strict_elegance on Instagram, and we'll do an e-transfer and communicate through there, and I'll get all your information and email it and send it off through mail, or if you're local, I'll personally deliver it to you.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey guys. Welcome to Lifestyle with Yoli. This is your girl, Yoli. So guys, I'm here at Home Sense. But take a little break, guys. I took a little break from Home Sense, but I'm gonna put up my Christmas tree, and I feel like I need a few more ornaments. And what else? Hello. I feel like I need a few more ornaments. What else I need? I came here for something specific, and I don't want to get distracted. I feel like I need a few more ornaments. And oh yeah, and I need a set of either gold pillow or either gold pillows or the same matching wine red pillows that I have. So I should let me come and see what Home Sense have. Well, when I tell you all that I am in a lot of discomfort, can hardly bend, but well, all it out. What is this? So guys, I'm looking for pillows. So you know, I have to check out the clearance section first. And my eyes caught on this one, guys. Reason B, I have wine red and gold, so I wanted to maybe do some gold on the other sofa. Yeah, what you guys think of this one? Even though I find like this a rub off already. Let's see what's around here. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see this. What do y'all think for my bedroom? I don't think can you guys see it? It's almost like beige, cream, white. I don't think it's too much. I don't know if you guys can see it. Alright, but it's only one. This is cream and white and beige. Right? Just to hold up this, I can't even hold it. That's so much pain. Not even my hand can't hold up. So. This guy. Kinda like this book. also like this too, but I don't like the price. $79. I really like this, but I'm not feeling the price. I like this, but they only have 2 and I need 4. Guys, come on to her, because I am in a lot of pain. Guys, when I send a pillow, it's a Home Sense and Winner, so I'm gonna go look over the winner side. See what they have over there.
Wait, hold on.
So guys, Akon bought his first phone.
Whoa! Clickbait.
Oh.
Clickbait.
I thought it was what do you call it?
What?
Is that what they call
That's
titanium?
titanium.
Is it? That's what you chose? Just take up the phone.
You chose that. I got a screen protector.
Huh?
I got a screen protector.
From where?
My friend gave me one.
Oh,
Wait.
so they just give you.
It uses these ones?
Oh,
Oh, since it's the new one. It uses these ones.
they don't use the other
Oh, I
kind.
hate that though.
I know you can't borrow anybody charger.
Because if this breaks, I have to get a whole new one. Oh.
Let me see.
Don't drop it. That's fire. That's fire.
So there's no charger in the thing?
I have a base already though. I have 2 bases.
So they don't give you a base?
They never have though.
So you're gonna have to buy yourself a base. But you say you have a base. Put that back in.
I'm just putting it in the box.
You have to set it up with Auntie Tina.
What, tomorrow?
You can set it up tomorrow.
Okay.
And put Apple protection, Apple Care on it.
Do you know how to
But
stop putting it in my face. Do you know how to put it on your plan?
you can put it on. Maybe it's already on it. I don't know.
Because the SIM card's not even in the phone yet.
It doesn't come with that SIM card. It's these ones.
What do
It's
you mean?
in there. You just scan it and you lift it up. See the card. The new phones, you don't have to put it in. You just scan that.
Okay.
You got responsibility now, so you can't just spend like you're crazy when you get your paycheck. Phone bill first. Where were you? So guys, look who's hard at work painting. Guys, so this one wall, guys, my living room is a mess. But we're painting. Aquan painting this one wall. This wall was a picture wall, guys. But the way I had it, I want to switch it up. I kind of learn from watching, like, turn the brush the other way, Aquan. Yeah, so you get this idea. So guys, I kind of learned from watching TikTok videos and stuff on the proper way to like line up pictures, guys. So I want to make it a little more neat, and this wall could take, you know, a little freshen up. So we took the nails out, closed back those holes, guys, and Aquan painting this one wall, and then I'm gonna put back like say about 6 8x10 picture frames, smaller ones, because those frames were a bit bigger. Let me show you guys. So they're over here, these frames, guys. So I'm gonna get 8x10 frames, but I'm gonna get them small like this, not with the extra, you know. And I'm gonna keep these ones because these ones are okay, guys. This is Kamani. Kamani, this? Yeah, this is Kamani. Who's this again? Kamani. Yeah, this is Kamani.
I should not know her own
This is Aquan. This is Promise. Guys, they all literally looked alike as a baby. This is Promise. This is Promise. So I'm gonna replace these frames, but the other ones I'm gonna keep. And this is Aquan, guys. This is Aquan, the eldest that is 18 now. And this is Aquan. Yeah. And that is Aquan over there painting the wall. Aquan, there's a big lump here, right there. I think you need, okay, yeah. So guys, Aquan. Guys, we're gonna make you paint the whole house. Okay, Aquan, you need to roll. Guide to use. Take it there for handsome looks. Right. You gotta work. Okay. Alright, go. So Aquan, how does it feel to paint the entire house?
So good.
So bring that over as you go. Guys, I decided, what you call them? What you call the people them we give orders for construction site, guys? Yeah. Project manager. This is the project manager, guys. When Aquan was growing up, I always said to Aquan, Aquan, I see you as like a big entrepreneur, you know? Like a running. That's true. I've witnessed those convos. Yeah, from he was so young. Like, I don't know if this happened with you guys. Like I have a vision. I see all my kids like where, you know, when you say, okay, this you can tell, like, you know, how would I put it now? Like you can envision where like each you aspire for them to come. Well, not even me, because it's not something that I want for them. But at that time, he wouldn't aspire it, so you aspire. Yeah, but I know me. That's the matter. It's like a vision. Okay. Oh, we gone spiritual. Yes, it's not like something because I don't. Yeah. Guys, that's something about me. Me not aspire nothing for me. I want them to be great at whatever they decide, whatever path they chose to take on. But you always thought that that's something that he would excel at. Yes. So you always like, envision him in that position. No, sis. It's not even my vision. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Like I just saw it. You know, like, I don't know how much of you guys can, you know, like, I've experienced things like this, like, where you still like a vision. It's not something that I want for him or me a vision in doing. Yeah. Like, it just came to me. You know, like, it come in my vision. You know, I don't remember if I would make like a prayer and I cover them for their future. I don't remember how it did come up. But I always seem like him owning big construction site and him a go on different, you know, like him a working on big complex and a build houses and have people at work, and like I just saw him as a entrepreneur, you know, like a businessman. But that is my his own part. He never Future's still young. You never know. Future's still young. Yeah. You remember that, Aquan? Yeah. Guys, we didn't know what she said all along, you know, but you know, sometimes you have to poke for them, say everything. And the funny thing is, somebody else did say to you, to Aquan.
I think it was Mike.
Yeah, like somebody else did say to Aquan, that's where they saw. Yeah, and Aquan came to me and was like, Mom, you remember when you said, you know, so-and-so? Confirmation. Yes, so-and-so said the same thing. Yeah. Yes, guys, so you know, me the photographer, them not, no videographer, but them not pay me, but you know, so you have to do look bless others, some more blessing follow you. But just right here, so but you can do it after. Like I see, yes, I could have one more run over, but you can do it after. But this project manager, guys, she's very bossy. Guys, me upstairs and me here. This is how I want it done. And she just go on with herself, guys. Guys, me I teach him. Aquan that needs some more paint on it. Like raw. Yeah. Oh, it done.
Yeah.
Oh, see enough you say that, boy?
My bad.
You look so much fun, Aquan. Look over here. One more friend request came your way, girl. Yeah. Anyways, guys, as you all know, I am on every social media platform. Guys, I'm on TikTok. So everyone that's over here that is on TikTok, head over to TikTok, guys, and follow me at Lifestyle with Yoli. I'm on Instagram. Follow Lifestyle with Yoli. I'm on Facebook. Head over and follow your girl. All right. I'll appreciate.
Follow
that.
her up, guys. Follow her up. Follow. Big things coming, guys. Follow her up.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say